If you are tired of seeing political posts in your Facebook feed, you can stop them and keep your feed focused on what matters most to you. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. In the Preferences section, go to Content Preferences. Here, you will find the Political Content option. Tap on it. You will then see the Suggest Political Content option, which is enabled by default. Simply toggle the slider off to disable it. From now on, Facebook won't suggest political content when it recognizes it, keeping your feed focused on your personal interests. This feature is beneficial for anyone who wants a cleaner, more personalized feed with fewer political posts. So that's how you can stop political content on Facebook for a cleaner feed.